Hi, this is eBay video game selling tips with our guide to restoring your Nintendo NES. This is part one of the series, disassembly. We're going to disassemble NES so that later we can clean it and repair it and do all those nice things. We've moved our site over to www.videogameselling.com. Getting started. First, flip over the NES. You should find 6 screws holding the top and bottom of the NES together. Unscrew them using a medium Phillips head screwdriver, and then while holding the case together, flip it the right side up again. Now you can remove the top lid, and you'll find the metal shielding. There are 7 screws that hold this in place. You want to remove those, and you can take that off as well. Now we can remove the cartridge tray as well. There's 6 screws there again. Keep these screws separate from the other ones because they're a little bit different, so they fit onto the cartridge tray, not to the other parts. Leave the tray on the board until we remove the circuit board completely. Okay, now we're going to remove the circuit board. There are 2 more screws holding it on. It's near the AV and the power outlet. You need to remove those 2 screws. We also need to detach the power switch from the board and the 2 controller ports, as you can see on the right. And then we can take out the circuit board as well. Now you can pull out the circuit board and remove the cartridge tray. You can also take off the 72-pin connector right now if you want to. Probably it will need to be replaced. Now we're going to remove the power and reset buttons. There are 2 screws that hold them in place. You just need to remove those, and you can pull that out as well. Now flip the casing back over again, and you'll see the 2 screws that hold on the controller ports. Remove those, and then you can remove the plastic cover from the controller ports and pull them out. Next, in the next part, we will discuss how to clean, repair, and customize the Nintendo NES in the further video installments.